Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Midtrans payment gateway integration with Odoo. So basically this payment gateway integration for Odoo enables the secure and seamless online payments directly from the ERP. It supports the Indonesian currency with the real-time payment confirmation and the multiple payment methods and a smooth checkout experience. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and now I'm just going to navigate to the website module, and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment provider. So here I'm selecting the Midtrans as a payment method, so you have to enable it in the test mode and select the website and the company, and here you have to add the credentials for the same. After that, I'm just going to the home page and navigating to the shop and going to add the product to the cart and going to check out for the same. And here I'm selecting this payment method and going to pay for the same. So here you can see one wizard is open for the mid-trans payment. So here you have to fill the customer details, and now I'm just going to proceed further. After that, I'm selecting the payment method as a card. Now I'm just going to pay for the same. So here you can see payment is successful. One sale order is also created for our order and the payment is successful. Now I'm just going to the website module, and under the configuration I'm selecting the payment transaction. So this is our recently made transactions. So here you can see our payment method and the provider is fetched successfully, and one sale order is also created for the same. So before making and setting up this, you have to take care of the currency. It will only support the Indonesian currency and the company. So here I'm just navigating to the sale order, and you can see it is in the Indonesian currency. So that's how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.